Hi everyone. Here are some common Scrum Master interview questions and answers along with real-time scenarios for experienced. What is your experience with facilitating Scrum ceremonies? As a Scrum Master, I have facilitated all Scrum ceremonies such as sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. In a recent project during this daily stand-up, I noticed that some team members were not sharing their updates, which resulted in the lack of transparency. So I implemented the Fist to 5 method, which helped the team members to share the progress more openly and efficiently. Can you describe a situation where you had to resolve a conflict within the team? In one of my previous projects, 2 team members were not able to collaborate effectively. This affects the team performance. I scheduled a one-on-one meeting with each of them to understand their concerns and perspectives. I then facilitated a team discussion where both members were encouraged to express their opinions and feelings. Finally, we worked together to come up with a mutually agreeable solution that resolved the conflict. How do you handle the team members who consistently fail to meet their commitments? I would first schedule a one-on-one meeting with the team member to understand the reason behind the failure. After that, I would coach the team member to identify the root cause and provide guidance on how to resolve it. If the problem persists, I would work with the team member and the product owner to reprioritize the work or adjust the sprint goals. If the situation doesn't improve, I would escalate the issue to the management team. How do you ensure that the team is continuously improving? As a Scrum Master, I facilitate sprint retrospectives to identify the areas of improvement for the team. During the retrospectives, we discuss what went well, what didn't go well, and what could be done better. After that, we come up with an action plan for the next sprint. I also encourage the team to participate in knowledge sharing sessions and attend training programs to enhance their skills and knowledge. How do you manage the team members who are working remotely? In a recent project, I managed a team with remote team members. To ensure that everyone was on the same page, I set up daily virtual stand-up meetings, used online collaboration tools, and maintained clear communication channels. I also scheduled regular one-on-one meetings with each team member to provide feedback and support. Finally, I encourage the team to participate in virtual team building activities to promote a sense of belonging and teamwork. How do you handle a situation where a team member is not able to deliver the work as per the sprint goal? As a Scrum Master, my first step would have a one-on-one conversation with the team member to understand the root cause of the problem. Then I would work with the team to identify any impediments or blockers that are hindering their progress. We would then brainstorm and come up with potential solutions such as redistributing tasks or seeking help from the other team members. It's important to ensure that the team member feels supported and empowered to take the ownership of their work. What would you do if a stakeholder changes a requirement in the middle of the sprint? I would discuss the impact of the change with the product owner and the team to assess if it can be accommodated within the current sprint. If this change is significant and cannot be accommodated, then I would advise the stakeholder that it will be added to the backlog and prioritized accordingly in future sprints. It's important to ensure that the team remains focused on sprint goal and the changes are not introduced without a thorough understanding of their impact. How would you deal with the team members who are not able to attend the daily stand-up meetings regularly? I would first discuss the importance of daily stand-up meetings with the team members and understand the reason for their absence. If the absence is due to another meeting or unavoidable situation, I would work with the team to reschedule the meeting to more convenient time. However, the absence is due to the lack of commitment or engagement. I would escalate the issue to the product owner and the team to address as it part or assess of sprint retrospective. How do you handle the conflicts within the team? As a Scrum Master, I would encourage open communication and transparency within the team. If conflicts arise, I would facilitate a conversation between the parties involved to understand their perspectives and work towards the resolution and benefits the team as a whole. It's important to establish trust within the team and create a safe environment where the team members feel comfortable expressing their opinions and ideas. What steps would you take to ensure that the team is continuously improving? As a Scrum Master, I would facilitate regular sprint retrospective to gather feedback from the team on what worked well and what could be improved. I would also encourage the team to take ownership of their own learning and development by providing opportunities for training and coaching. Additionally, I would monitor the team performance metrics and use them to identify the areas of improvement. Continuous improvement is a core principle of Scrum, and it's important to create a culture of continuous learning and development within the team.